My dear students, welcome to the world of literature. Today, I would like to narrate a story written by Rudyard Kipling. The title of the story is Rikki Tikki Tavi. Rudyard Kipling born in India, but he spent most of his time in abroad. He is popularly known for his just so stories. Rikki Tikki Tavi is a story of a beautiful mongoose who bravely fought against some snakes and protected many animals and humans in his surroundings. Rikki Tikki Tavi was staying with his parents in a burrow, but during a heavy rain, he washed away and away, with kicking and clucking by the rainwater. At last, he fell into a ditch. While he was flowing, he noticed a little grass floating over the water. Quickly, he grabbed it and clung on it till he became unconscious. When he opened his eyes, he noticed that he was in the garden of a house filled with sunbeam. Soon, he heard the sound of a boy. He was telling, "Hey, Mom, here is a dead mongoose. Let's start his funeral." "No, baby, it is not died, but it is so sleepy and messy. You can take him inside the house and dye him," Mom said. At this time, boy's dad appeared there, took the mongoose with his fingers. Then he carefully examined him, then declared, "No, it is not dead, but half choked." He took the mongoose inside the house and wrapped him with a soft material. Also warmed him by keeping near the fireside. After received much warmth and comfort, Rikki Tikki Tavi opened his eyes and sneezed. Then he jumped out from his hand and looked around. "Don't frighten him," Teddy's daddy said to him. Rikki Tikki Tavi looked at the wool, which was used to cover him. "No, it is not good to eat," he thought. He came out of the wool and jumped over the table, then moved all over it. Again jumped over the boy's shoulder. "Don't be frightened, Teddy," his father said. "He tries to make friendship with you," he continued. "He became so friendly even if it is a wild creature, maybe because of our hospitality towards him," his mother said. "All mongoose are like that," Teddy's father said. "Give him something to eat," Teddy's father continued. They gave him raw meat to eat. Rikki Tikki Tavi liked it very much and finished it so fast. Then he moved to veranda and enjoyed sunshine. My dear students, adventure stories of Rikki Tikki Tavi will be continued, and wait for the part 2 Rikki Tikki Tavi.